We'll guide you through how to fix a black screen on an Android phone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be really worrying and frustrating. Perhaps you just went and put your phone down last night as you usually do, or perhaps you just went and put it down a few minutes ago, or it even randomly went black. Hopefully to help this guide, we're going to go and have your problem resolved. So make sure it's this full guide and don't skip ahead. Otherwise you may go and miss what's going to solve your problem. So come onto the side of your device, and what you want to do is go and find this side button here. Now, you probably usually just go and tap it to go and turn it on, but what you want to do is go and press and hold it down for 15 seconds. So keep it held down, and hopefully it may go and boot up. Sometimes it may have just got completely shut down for whatever reason. So what you want to do is see if it goes and turns on. Hopefully it does. If you find that it doesn't, then what you can try doing is going and getting its charging cable. You want to go and plug it in. You can go and let it charge for a couple minutes, or just make sure it's definitely charging now. And what we're going to try doing is a button combination. So you want to try holding down and pressing the volume decrease on the rocker and the side button together. So start pressing these down together like so. You want to keep these held down. Your screen will go and remain black, but just keep them held down. And shortly, you should go and see it goes and starts booting, as you can see. So hopefully it will then go and start, and it'll go and be working again as normal. You just needed a restart. We can go and unplug this. If you find that didn't do it for you, you can try pressing the same side button, and instead of the volume down, press the volume increase. Press and hold them together. And then it should hopefully go and start like this is now.